How to make Jamaican curry snapper fish. Slice fish in half if that's your choice. Then season with salt and pepper. Then to some hot oil you're gonna add pepper. You can also add garlic, thyme. I fry my fish dry, but you don't have to do it that way. You can just fry them to your choice. Then I wash the pan and then I add some oil and coconut oil to the pan. When it's hot, then I add garlic and I burn the curry. Then I add some seasoning and fry. After I saute those seasoning, then I'm gonna add some water to the pot and add enough water so that the you can make gravy. Then I add some mixed green season, some adobo. I add the carrot last because I like when my carrot is crunchy. Then I baste the fish, cover for 5 minutes, and that's it.